Hi there, I'm Julie Tam, managing broker at Lynn Realty, serving generations of clients in sales, leasing, and property management in the greater Houston area and from around the world since 1981. You can find me on har.com, that stands for Homes and Rentals, as Yao Tam. All right, so I'm actually shooting into a mirror right now. You can probably tell because I want to actually take you through a property today where I'm not doing a selfie mode, shooting me doing the talking, but letting you see what I'm seeing from my viewpoint. Okay, this is my Smarter Real Estate video series that happens weekly on Wednesdays, and I'm so glad you're joining me today as I take you on one of my real estate adventures and also give you practical strategies to be a better, or smarter rather, seller, buyer, tenant, or landlord. Actually, smarter is better, right? And these videos are shot in one take and not edited, as you can tell. All right, so I am here on the west side of Houston. This is a townhome that my clients bought as an investment property recently. And we are in this home, walking through it to try to figure out what all needs to be done, everything that's wrong with it. So previously it was owned by someone who did a little bit of work on it after that person purchased it from someone else, kind of like a flip. But you know, with the traditional flip, when you think about it, it's a lot of extensive work is done and then it's sold. But in this case, that was not true. Foundation was repaired, a few other little repairs, and that was it. And cosmetically, certainly there needs to be some work done here, and I'm going to take you around and show you. So let's go ahead and walk back out the front door to the front of the community so I can bring you in that way and show you every little thing. Once we get everything done, then we'll be putting it on the market for lease. Now watch this. This door is sticking so badly. Oh, you got to pull really hard to get it open. So that's one thing we need to fix. There is a keyed entry pedestrian gate, which is a nice feature to make you feel secure. So this is a lovely townhome community. I'm not going to give the specific address, but we will be listing it on MLS eventually. All right, so the first thing you see is this front porch. So there's kind of this old cracked paving situation, and this is where the foundation work happened. So obviously we need to go ahead and just rip all this out and replace it. So I've got to get our tile person on that. There's some issues along here that we need to fix to make sure that the door is sealed properly. It's missing a weather stripping. The other thing too about rental properties is this door is the front door. This door and every exterior door, which means a door leading from the home to the outside or to the garage, needs to have a keyless deadbolt lock, which this does not have. There should be an extra lock here that looks like this on the inside, but there should be, let me yank this door open again, nothing on the outside. Here, someone can unlock this door and come in, as in a maintenance person with a key, the landlord potentially, if they have a copy of the key, but especially in this case, our property management company. So for the tenant's privacy, when they're home and they're asleep or in the shower, some situation where they don't want someone to be able to come in, then there needs to be a keyless deadbolt where there's nothing on this side, but they can lock it from the inside and prevent someone from being able to enter who has a key to the property. The other thing that's needed is a peephole, which this door already has, so we're good there. I've already checked for all the smoke alarms, and we have that. So the home is not the cleanest. It's not the dirtiest I've seen by far. There's been much worse, but as you can see, it's pretty dusty. Somebody left their shoe under there, under the stairs, so it just really needs a nice deep cleaning. There's this bamboo flooring throughout the living and dining areas, basically on the first floor. We've got this kind of burglar bar set up in this front window that we want to go ahead and get rid of. People think of it as being secure, but actually if it's not installed properly with the proper safety features, it becomes a fire hazard because someone cannot escape properly. All right, then you have blinds like these, broken. You see the dirty window. There's actually missing window screens on several of the windows. We had an inspection done, so there's some repairs that need to be done there. I'm not going to go into that because those are a little bit more obscure, some things that you can't see, like missing insulation in the attic and things like that. Certainly we want to make sure all the light bulbs are replaced in the home to start the tenants off on the right foot. So this is the dining area. This is actually a really nice floor plan of a townhome, so I don't want to negate that as I'm taking you and showing you what's wrong with it. So let me go ahead and back up here You come in and right off the bat, there's this living area that can be a formal living or like a sitting room, a piano room, playroom, whatever you want to use it for. And here's a formal dining. That's what it's intended to be anyway. And then the stairs going up to the second floor. Some paint needs to be done in this home, as you can see here. The carpet was replaced. There's not a lot of carpet in this property, but mainly in the closets. But no one vacuumed afterwards. So there's a lot of new carpet fibers. There's an AC filter. So if our contractor finds the existing filter dirty, they're going to have to replace it. This is just a really deep storage closet. Coming back out here, so we have a really high ceiling and a skylight there that brings in natural light, which is a great feature. And there's a loft upstairs, which is essentially like a study, or it can be a small game room overlooking the downstairs. And then there's going toward the back of the house. Before I go back there though, let's make a stop over here at this little linen closet slash pantry. There's not a separate huge area for storage for the kitchen, so this could be it. But look, they missed this closet, so obviously this carpet is in pretty bad shape, just needs to go ahead and be replaced. I don't know that we're gonna find the same matching carpet as what we saw in the other closets, but it's okay, it's a separate area, not connected to those. All right, so there is a nice granite top here in the powder room, this half bath. All right, but you know, the toilet's dirty. This is a laundry room where you can put a full-size washer and dryer. It's electric, all electric connections for the dryer. Coming back out here, this is essentially a breakfast right next to the kitchen. Now, there is a small pantry in the kitchen, but if this wasn't enough for you, then you could use that other, what I call linen closet slash second pantry. We're gonna have this area painted as well. Stainless steel refrigerator, side by side with built-in ice maker, pretty nice. This is a Frigidaire brand, gallery line. And actually it's pretty decently clean too. So the previous owners, or the previous owners to that, at least made a little bit of an effort. Okay, so random parts here. You know, we've got this, you know, other stainless steel appliances, from the overhead vent hood here to the range. All right, it's gonna be kind of a, let's see, yeah, a little bit of a cleaning situation here. Again, these nice granite countertops through the kitchen, and another stainless steel appliance here with this Frigidaire gallery line dishwasher. So back here we have the den. So it's a second living area. There's your fireplace. Now one problem that we've seen is moisture. The inspector did not know where it came from, but you can see these water stains here. And so the owners actually want us to go ahead and just have the flooring replaced in this whole den area. Basically, as soon as you take the step down from the breakfast, just get all this flooring replaced. So we're gonna put tile here. It's durable, not something that's gonna get wet and have issues for the most part. Some issues here with water penetration from the back door we have to get fixed. And namely up here with this covered patio, this awning, it's breaking away a bit. There's some cracks, so we have to take care of that. Also got to get these weeds under control back here around the air conditioning unit. And some of the trash here needs to be removed. And we have a piece of wood there. It's actually a siding. This is probably hardy board that needs to be put back. It got detached there. So we need to get that replaced. So again, more weeds growing out of control. This is a nice tiled back patio. It's very private. It's surrounded by the siding of this home, and this is the garage through this door here. And the walls are quite high, so you know, you can just really enjoy being back out here, and other than the dog that I hear barking, it's pretty quiet at this moment. All right, so this is the door to the garage, and this is pretty odd. You have the, you know, little flip lock on the outside, which should be on the inside. And then, you know, you should have the key lock on the outside. anyway, this is not considered an exterior door because it's not connected to the home where you would live. So there's nothing else we need to do about it other than just flip this lock. A lot of storage in here, some extra paint and other building materials, supplies for this home, some cabinets there. So this is great storage for this 2-car garage. You've got an opener there. Unfortunately, they didn't leave us with the remotes. The previous owner did not have them, never received them from the owner before that. And the previous owner, like I mentioned, did sort of like a mini flip, never lived here, so they didn't need the garage door opener, or the remote rather. So anyway, we're going to have to get one and get it programmed. All right, so let's head back into the home. It's a nice, brisk, chilly winter day in Houston. I actually really enjoy this weather because it's not too cold and it's not hot for sure. Okay, so coming back toward the front of the house, we will head upstairs. So you can see all these little scuff marks in the paint. We just need to apply a nice fresh coat of paint through here. Same thing with areas like this, the stair railing. All right, so this upstairs is nice and open, you know, like we saw from downstairs. Here's the upstairs where we're looking down into the dining room. So it just really has a nice feel because of the openness. Okay, so in this hallway, we have a full bath that is for the front 2 secondary bedrooms there, which we'll visit in a second. But the master bedroom is of course, the most important bedroom in the home typically, and here we are. So there are some nice modern ceiling fans in the bedrooms, which are good. They are remote controlled. Very large, spacious master bedroom with the same bamboo flooring we saw downstairs. Mirrored closet doors. Hello there again. I'm wearing my really comfortable, fun tennis shoes. A nice arch so I can actually point my feet like in ballet. I'm a former ballet dancer. Okay, so again, new carpet here in this closet. Just a lot of fibers that need to be vacuumed up. This is a sliding closet door. And the master has the study area there that we saw from downstairs looking up. So you've got these accordion double doors that lead into it, and another ceiling fan here. And you can look over the railing to see downstairs. So really nice, well-connected floor plan. All right, now let's see this other master closet. Same deal with the carpet. And then the master bath. Now, some things are going on in here, okay? If you look at the track of this master closet, it's pretty dirty, just clogged with stuff, and therefore it's causing problems for the sliding mechanism. I mean, it's just getting caught on all that debris, so we need to get that cleaned out. Okay, that's really nasty looking. Okay, and you know, the cabinets, there just needs to be a little bit of a cleaning and painting to restore this. Same nice granite countertops. And you know, the previous owner just left a bunch of stuff here. So anybody need any alcohol swabs? Contact lens cases, toothbrush? We'll just get rid of all of this. Okay. And here is your tub shower combo. Got a handheld shower head. That shower curtain has seen better days. We're just gonna get rid of that. In case you wanted to have a party in here, there is a red light for a little mood lighting. It makes the bathroom warm, so it's kind of like a heat lamp. So that's nice, especially in the winter when you come out of the shower. So these are really nice built-in cabinets, as I was showing you the insides of them, but if we just kind of step back and take a look at what kind of storage you can have in this master bath, that's really nice. And these sconce lights on either side of the mirror are nice as well. In case you forgot what I look like, here I am again. Okay, and then your vanity there. Okay, so let's step out here and go down the hall to see the rest of the second floor. Okay, so back to this full hall bath. So again, these granite countertops, same kind of cabinets, and you know, the brushed nickel finish on the plumbing fixtures there. We just, again, have areas that need to be painted. Look at the trim of this door. All right, Tub shower. People just, you know, left dirty old towel and things like that. We need to just get rid of this type of stuff and do a nice deep cleaning for the tenants who will eventually move in. Okay. All right, so down the hall, we have another little closet with some shelves, a linen closet, new carpet there with all the fibers still not vacuumed. But that part's easy. All right, so this is one of the 2 secondary bedrooms. This is the one kind of in the middle of the home, facing the front. It's got this nice seat by the window. So, you know, you could sit up here and read a book, just look out to the front there. There's some remote controls for the fans. And actually, ooh, this is a very heavy door, but look, there's actually storage underneath. Somebody's left something in there. Get rid of that. But yeah, this is looking out to the front. And your closet here. Okay, another sliding mirrored glass door, or not glass, but mirrored, but look, I can't slide it. It's so hard. We need to get the track cleaned out. And in this room, as we saw in another room as well, there are these plates where you can fish a TV cable through the wall behind to keep it hidden and not have a bunch of cluttered cable if you were to have a TV in this area along this wall. Okay, so to look at the final bedroom, this is the front of the house, or townhouse, I should say. Another nice modern ceiling fan, same thing, same bamboo flooring. Now this closet is a bit more problematic. This sliding glass door doesn't slide at all. It's not just about being stuck, it's actually just not budging. So something's really wrong with it. Either something is stuck in there, causing it to be this way, or it's just completely, you know, rusted and therefore not even sliding anymore. Whatever the deal is, we're going to have to get a contractor out here to take a look at that and what's needed to get that working again, whether we need to just replace the entire door, get rid of the track even. So yeah. All right, so some of these blind slats, you know, can slide down over time, so those need to be secured or something repaired to prevent them from doing that, so that we have nice straight blinds. Because these are nice wood blinds. Of course, the holstering isn't seeming to work, and the valance is off from the clip. So as you can see, there are some things that need to be done, and we will get them done. It may take a few weeks to get all the different contractors through here to do what they need to do and to do it properly. We always want to make sure the job is done well, that it's done right, that people know what they're doing, and the contractors we use have been with us for many years, in some cases for multiple decades, which is pretty incredible. So if you have any questions about this or any other past video that I have put on my Facebook or YouTube channel, please don't hesitate to ask. I welcome your feedback, ideas for future videos and topics. And of course, if you are looking for a real estate broker to represent you in sales, leasing, or property management, I'm happy to help. Done a lot of sales, a lot of leasing, and we manage currently more than 300 rental properties around the greater Houston area, mostly residential and a little bit of commercial. So we have a lot of experience in this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again for another episode of my weekly Wednesday Smarter Real Estate video.